Hi, I'm Dr. Jon Evans with ProTailored Physical Therapy here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and today we're going to be talking about the best ways to fix your cervical radiculopathy. Chin tucks while you're lying on your back are a great way to loosen up your neck and also take pressure off your nerves that may be referring pain down your arm. It looks just like this. I'm tucking my chin down and pushing my head straight back into the pillow. I hold it for 2 to 3 seconds and then I relax. I'm going to do this a total of 30 times. It should not cause any pain. I should feel some nice pulling on the back of the neck, and maybe even a little bit of pressure on the front. Another great way to take pressure off your nerves in your neck is by doing something called traction. Take a bath towel, put it at the base of your skull, and then ask one of your friends, your significant other, your spouse, and they're going to pull up on this towel while it's just right at the base of your skull. It's applying a nice gentle pressure. You hold it there for about 30 seconds, or as long as they can tolerate it, and as long as you can tolerate it, and that should make you feel better. If you don't have a friend or family member at home that can help you with doing the manual traction, they actually have units that you can buy for $20 to $40 that accomplish the same thing. I'll provide a link below. Exercise number 3 is neural flossing. So what we're going to do is you extend that arm straight out to your side, palm up, shoulder compressed, and elbow straight. You're going to bend your hand down, still with the palm facing up, and you're going to bend your head over at the same time, and you just keep going back and forth like this. You should feel a nice little pull throughout your forearm or even in your fingertips. You do this 30 times and then you relax. You shouldn't feel any sharp pain anywhere. Alright guys, I hope that information was useful for you. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or any new topics that you'd like us to cover in our next video. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated on our new videos that come out. And lastly, if you'd like to schedule an appointment at ProTailored Physical Therapy in Fort Wayne, Indiana, you can call us at 260-739-0300, or you can visit us online at www.protailored.com. Thanks.